welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahta and I am an international student in Germany and also the owner of PaperJar studio. In my last video, I talked about my digital budget, all the things that stay in the traditional bank or go through Revolut. But I also mentioned that part of my system is still cash-based. Today I want to show you how I organize that part and why I still keep some cash even in Germany where I can do almost everything digital. This is my full monthly budget setup. I have around 30 categories. Some are fixed expenses like rent and insurance. Some are savings like rainy days, semester fee, holiday, furniture, and the rest are variable like groceries, dining out, education, and other. I know it looks like a lot, but honestly, it helps me stay clear about where my money goes. It's not complicated. I just give every euro a place. Out of these 30 categories, 17 are cash-based. Things like, again, groceries, dining out, education, language learning, not laundry, clothes and shoes, and many more. I keep the rest digital because they are paid automatically or don't need cash. This balance between cash and digital really works for me. It keeps things flexible but still visible. Last time I told you about, I think till here, I am not sure, maybe till 11, that they are in my traditional bank or Revolut. I can tell you a bit about more. Online courses has 2 savings for me. Oh no, I said about online courses too. I go to holiday. Holiday always gets only 5 euro, and it can be enough or not, but I can start with a small between the cities travels, or just let it get together and have a bigger money so I can go a bit further. Furniture, it can be both for my dorm furniture and my future furniture. It's also 5 euro only now, because next year this time I need to find my own home, or maybe Vega, but I can't stay in dorm. Groceries, something that I need to eat till to stay alive. It's 120, not much, so I usually shop only from the brands from the its own shop. I don't know if you live in Germany, you know that each big chain store has its own brand. For example, Reve grocery stores has the brand of Yeah. I just buy from that brand. It's cheaper, it has the good quality, and it's enough for me. I just need to take care that don't get too much snacks and buy things in discount. Yeah. Dining out is 20 because you need sometimes go out with your friends and have something. I really wanted to have two categories for dining out and something like cafe, but for now it's not possible for me, so I put two categories together. Education is getting 10. It's not a big education thing. It's related to whatever my university needs, like the copies, like the stationery, and maybe in future the cost of, for example, my thesis, print of my thesis, these things. Language learning, getting 15. Honestly, I am still learning and I need to learn more and more. So I need to put some money aside for it. Right now, this month, October, and next month, November, probably you see this video in November. Budget will goes to getting the new book for my course. Yeah, because it's expensive. It's around 26 euros, so I have to keep this budget and next one together to buy it. Laundry is 12. Actually, laundry is digital. I keep it in Revolut because indoors you should pay for each time that you use washing machine, and each time costs 2.4. So I counted if I need 5 times per month. I counted it for the months that has 5 weeks. It would need 12. Yeah. Clothes and shoes getting 20. Actually, that's the category that I always overspend on it. I love new clothes and shoes, and actually I need them, but that's the thing that they currently get. Hygiene products, 12. Hygiene products are something like shampoo, conditioner, body gel, things for period, and other stuff. Then I go to skincare and cosmetics. It gets 10. Cosmetic is, I don't know, like lipstick. I am crazy about lipsticks, especially the red ones. And the skincare, all of the girls love it. Then cleaning supplies get 10 also. It's also obvious what is it. It's for dish soap, for, I am not sure about the name of it, this piece thing that you clean everything with it. And this type of it. Parties and events get 20. I know here is not Berlin, but still parties are not that much cheap. For example, a techno party can be even between 20 to 29, so it's only cost for one. But I still can go to cheaper ones and have it for 2 times and this thing. Hobbies and crafts, the second category after clothes that I overspend on it. I love crafts and I have a lot of hobbies. I will show you in the next videos too. It gets 15. Then we go to gifts. It gets 5. It's not for big gift. It's for random acts of kindness that I show to my friends and my partner. Money gets 3 or sometimes 2. It depends if the month is 31 year or 1 day or 30 days, because it tells me that if I have 1 euro more or not. Money is my hamster. She is the cutest hamster in the world. I will show you her also later. Okay, these 2 categories are new. Kindalingo Studio and PaperJar Studio, each of them get 10. These 2 are my businesses, and I wrote here investment. I am investing this too, so I can have a small income of them, and they help me to stay in Germany and live a good life. I am trying my best. And medication. Actually, I use some expensive medications. My insurance cover a lot of it, but I still need to save 20 per month for it. Yeah, but it also include the vitamins that I get too. So yeah, the left is 0 and it's my budget. I want to show you something. Let me show you. It's so exciting for me. This one and this one. These are the organizers I mentioned last time. I ordered them from Etsy. They're not my products, just something I found really useful. They're labeled for euro bills and coins, which makes things easier to track. Let me show you more. Oh, my lipstick. 100, 50, 20, 10, 5. It's perfect. And this one, I couldn't find it in many places, but yeah, it's amazing. 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, 20, 50, 1 euro, 2 euro. I love it. I absolutely love it. I want to show you a bit how it works. It's a 50 cent. We'll look at 50 cent and we put it there. Here, 1 cent. And it's exactly fit for it. I love this thing. 2 cent. Oh, what is this? It's same 10 cent here. Do I have anything not repetitive? No, the rest are 50 cent. No, I put it. The rest are repetitive. So it's like this. And show you this one too. Tens go there, so I know exactly how many tens do I have. 20s go here and 50 go here, like this. Actually, this is the money that I got from bank for my next video and also for my November. You will see it a bit late, but probably I film it today because today is 29th of the October and I will need this money for my next month, even if the video and editing takes a bit time. Okay, so that's how I handle the cash side of my budget. It's simple and realistic, not perfect, but it works. Next time I really try that finally show you the printable tools I've been designing for PaperJar. The ones that make this whole process calmer and a bit more organized. Thanks for watching.